moving day. Can you believe it? Starts bawling. What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. If you are new here, you're joining at the perfect time. My name's Danny and I'm moving to New York City today. That's crazy. I've been saying this for like months, being like, I'm moving to New York City later this year, but suddenly the day is here and somehow I am less prepared than I was 2 weeks ago. If you guys didn't see my last moving video, then I definitely recommend that you go watch that before this one, because shit kind of hit the fan last night and it's gonna lead to a very interesting day today. We're gonna see how it goes, but basically what we have to do is hunt down a bed and pretty much all of my bedroom furniture. We woke up bright and early this morning. Literally my first alarm went off at 5:55, and ever since then we got ready really quickly, packed up the cars, and we are about to get to the apartment. My poor parents are being such troopers because my mom is working today, so she's gonna be helping me out in between calls. It's pouring rain and will be all day, so that's really gonna impact everything as a whole. And on top of that, we have Ikea drama. So all good things going on here. It's gonna work itself out, and hopefully by the time this video is being posted, I'm laughing about all these things. But for now, I'm slightly unwell. Thank you for calling Ikea. The customer service agent will be on the line shortly. Ikea for ignoring all 4 of my calls that I made to them this morning. Definitely not ideal, but we made it to the apartment and we've made some progress. Obviously there's little to no progress that can be made in my room because I have no furniture to build, but we have made some progress out here. My dad is helping to hang the prints that are going above the couch. Say hello. And we also built the table that's going in the living room, and then I put away all of my stuff in the kitchen. I'll show you. Or should I say my mom put away all my stuff in the kitchen? I did not do this. Yeah, it looks great. Underneath that, I know, it does look cute. Underneath that, the center one goes this one.
Put a little tiny X.
Where's the pen?
Why? At 18 and a half. Little X right there in the back.
At the end?
Very end.
Welcome to Amanda's room. She moved in 2 days ago. Like I told you guys, she moved in on the 1st, and since she has a closet in her room, she decided to leave the top shelf completely open for me, which was very nice of her, so I can keep some of my bulkier items. So I'm just gonna keep my shoes up there. I figured sweatshirts will also take up a lot of space, but that's stuff that I wear a little bit more frequently, so I'd rather just keep those in my room somehow and then keep this space for my shoes. Headed off for a quick Starbucks break. That way we have enough energy for our Ikea trip. Thank you so much. Have a good one. A venti coffee was definitely necessary for what is now the 3rd trip that we're doing to Ikea. I told you guys earlier that they wouldn't answer any of my phone calls, and that means we're going into this kind of blind. What I've learned from this entire situation so far is that the Ikea website is far from accurate, so I don't really know if they have any of the stuff that I'm looking for in stock in the Brooklyn location of Ikea, but we're heading over there now. We're gonna see what we can find. And
living on the edge.
We're living on the edge here. I'm just hoping that by the end of this day, all I want is like 1 piece of furniture in my room. I'm only looking for 2.
Okay, I'll buy you a candle.
Amazing, thank you. bed in this location. Look at this shit. All 4 boxes. I mean, granted, my bed is white instead of black, but it's fine. We're not being picky anymore. I got the last bed in this location. It's not available here anymore once we buy this. It's not available in Jersey, not available on Long Island. Maybe things are looking up, maybe. We have a mirror. Guys, I think I might have a bedroom, but I don't want to speak too soon because I still need my dresser. Hi, they have the dresser too. I'm in aisle 10. I'm freaking out. Like, I still don't want to jinx it. I don't even know what I could possibly jinx at this point, but I don't want to jinx it. But I'm feeling pretty good. They don't have paper towel holders and they don't have napkin holders. I asked a woman and I couldn't find them and she couldn't find them either. What do you think about this for my room?
Oh, I like it.
Yeah?
It's a little big, but I like it.
Okay, let's see what else they have. I mean, they have smaller ones like what you have.
Okay.
Okay, love you.
I love you.
Sorry. All right, people, it has been quite a few hours since I've spoken to you. Obviously, you know that the Ikea run was a major success. I'm still feeling so incredibly grateful for the fact that I got the last bed, literally in the tri-state area. I don't know how that happened. Somebody was on my side and I'm feeling really good about it. But then we came back here. As we were in the car on our way back to the apartment, I hired a TaskRabbit, who, by the way, was amazing. He's not watching this video. God, that would be so strange. But he was amazing. Shout out, Miguel. You are a star. Can you imagine he comments and he's like, you are amazing. I'd be like, do you want a kiss right now? But he originally came to build my bed and my dresser, but he left having built my bed and my dresser, hanging all of my shelves, and he mounted our TV. So he's just superstar, and obviously we gave him a really good tip and gave him 5 stars and wrote a review, the whole bit. But the apartment is actually coming together, and my mom and I just put away my clothes, and I'm feeling really good about it. It's crazy how much can change in like 24 hours. I am kind of in shock, but I'm feeling really good. I just realized that it's the end of this video and I never gave you guys an overview of my room. I guess I was just making you wait till the end. Sorry about that. Let's do that now. Here is my beautiful little room. I really am so beyond happy with how everything came out. It blows me away because this is so much more than I ever expected my room to look like. I'm feeling so beyond grateful. So I did end up getting this bed frame from Ikea, and I really, really like how it looks, not only because it fits the space perfectly, but also because it has storage underneath. So I am able to fit pretty much all of my clothing in these drawers, and they're super spacious. I think my favorite part is the shelf above my bed. I also have my sunset lamp, of course, which has been a big hit with you guys, by the way, and myself too. I just love how it looks. And another thing that I've done that I really, really like how it's made the space look is utilize mirrors to make everything look bigger. So I have this mirror here, and then of course I have this space which serves so many purposes for me. I'm able to use this mirror to open up the space. I'm able to do my makeup here, and I'm also able to take meetings here. So overall, it was a really, really good find, and I'm happy that it all worked out. I'm so happy that you guys are all here. Thank you for following along with me, and I hope you continue to like my videos as I live in New York, not just move to New York. There's a lot of really exciting things coming, and you guys are not ready. Like, it's gonna be insane. But I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you very soon in my next video.